Hello everyone, today we will solve replace element in an array. This problem was asked in LeetCode Weekly Challenge 296. The problem statement is you are given zero indexed array nums that consist of n distinct positive integers. Apply m operation to this array where in the ith operation you replace the number operations of I of 0 with operations of I of 1, and it is guaranteed that operation of I of 0 exists in nums and operations of I of 1 does not exist in nums. And at the end we need to return the updated nums array. They have given one example here. Let's take this example and discuss the solution. Here we have given the operations array and we need to find every first element in this operation array in our nums and replace it with every second element in our operations array. For example, this 1 we need to find out in this nums and change it with 3. So our 1 change with 3. After that we need to find out 4 and change it with 7. So we need to change 4 with 7. After that we need to find out 6 and change it with 1. And at the end we need to return the updated nums array. So to solve this problem, we require three steps. In first step we need to travel through our operations array, and in second step we need to find out the first element. Suppose we say that first element is our current element and the second element as new element. So we need to find out current element in our nums array, and after that the last step is we need to change the current element with our new element. And after all these three processes are completed, we need to return this nums array. So the brute force way to solve this problem is, first of all, to travel through these operations we required one for loop. So for I in range, suppose the range of this operation, that is length of this operation, is m and the length of this nums is n. So for I in range m, to travel through operations and to check the current element in our nums, we use another for loop. So for j in range n, and if our operations of I of 0, that is current element always present at 0th index, so operations of I of 0 equal to nums of j, then we can say that we find the element in our nums array, and after that we need to change element. If we discuss about time complexity, then for every operation we need to find out the current element in our nums. So for every operation we need to perform total n operation to find out the element in our nums. So overall time complexity become order of m cross n. We need to optimize the problem because we required extra linear time to just find out the element in our nums. Let's think about any data structure which will give us finding element in constant time. So if we use dictionary here, we know that The time complexity to find any key in dictionary is order of 1. So if somehow we use dictionary here, then we can reduce this time complexity of n to big of 1. So the overall time complexity become order of m. To use dictionary in this problem, we can create one dictionary which will store the element as a key and its index as a value. So by using this, we can find the current element index with constant time. So for 1, its index is 0. For 2, its index is 1. For 4, its index is 2. For 6, its index is 3. So instead of looping through our nums, we use this dictionary to find the index of our current element. Whenever we find the current element, we update it with the new element, and after updating the new element in our nums, we need to update this element in our dictionary also, because now at the 0th position 3 present. Similarly, we have update 4 with 7, so we need to update 4 in our dictionary also. So now this 4 is updated with 7, and similarly for 6 is updated with 1. By using this approach, we reduce our time complexity to big of m, which is the length of our operation. Let's code this solution. So as we have discussed, we need to first create one dictionary which store element and its index. So to get both element and its index, we can use enumerate operator in our Python. So for index and element in enumerate nums. So by using this one liner, we can create our dictionary. Now we need to travel through these operations. For current element and new element in our operation. So as we have discussed, first of all we need to find the index of current element in our nums. So by using dictionary, we can find this index equal to dictionary of current element. After that, we need to change the value of nums of index with the new value, that is new element. And as we have discussed, after updating the value in our nums, we need to change the key of the dictionary. So first of all, we delete the previous key, that is dictionary of current element, and after that we add the new key, new element, and the index is same as previous index. At the end, we simply return our updated nums. So let's check the code. So our solution got accepted. Let's submit it. As we can see, our solution is submitted successfully. So if you have any doubt regarding this solution, let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching.